Science lesson. Your bed sheets have shit in them. Ew. Literal poop. From dust mites, dead skin cells, bacteria. And if the sheets smell, you smell. And if you wake up feeling gross, it's because it is gross. Even if you can't smell it. We're EDASI. And we made bed sheets with graphene. Oh, what's graphene? Glad you asked.
Science lesson. A 2D matrix of carbon atoms that's the lightest, strongest, thinnest material known to humans. Its discovery won scientists a Nobel Prize.
So we're doing this together.
It's my bed too. Anyway, these babies KO bacteria and force dust mites to dump elsewhere. A night in graphene is as fresh as getting out of the shower.
Feels like sleeping on a steel bed, wrapped in tinfoil.
Unless it's blended with Supima cotton yarn. At a thread count of 400.
Making it a soft, breathable, anti-allergenic blend. Just another example of EDASI innovation.
Science lesson. Graphene's far infrared properties bounces your body's natural energy right back in ya.
Helping your muscles recover. A therapeutic sleeping experience.
Fresh out of the dryer.
Unlike the toxic silver in other sheets, graphene never fades, never washes away.
The warmth.
Graphene's heat dissipation is perfect for cold sleepers.
Like me.
Or hot sleepers like me.
She's been my personal heater for 13 years.
And he's an ice cube. But EDASI keeps us both at the perfect temp all night. The duvet unzips from 3 sides, has corner ties and elastic straps.
The duvet grips and the pillowcases zip.
So everything stays perfect.
While you sleep perfect.
The new Fold by EDASI is the evolution of bed sheets.
1/3 of your life is spent in bed. Get the most out of it with EDASI.